Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Dropbox account settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your Dropbox account settings, begin by logging into your Dropbox account on a web browser. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture or initials in that corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings from that menu. In the Settings page, you will see several tabs. Click on the Security tab. Scroll down to find the Sessions section. Review the list of active sessions for your account. If you want to log out of any specific session, click Sign Out next to the session you wish to end. To sign out of all devices, look for the option that says Sign Out of all devices. Confirm your choice to log out. Next, go to the General tab in the Settings menu. Here, you can update your personal information as needed. If you want to reset your password, navigate to the Security tab again. Click on Change Password. Enter your current password followed by your new password. Confirm your new password and click Change Password. Next, check the Connected Apps section. Disconnect any apps that you no longer use or trust. For a more comprehensive reset, consider unlinking your account from all devices. To do this, go back to the Security tab. Select Devices from the options. Here, you'll find a list of all devices linked to your Dropbox account. Unlink any devices you want to remove access from. Finally, review your account settings to ensure everything reflects your preferences. Make any additional changes as necessary to finalize your reset. Always remember to save any changes you make before exiting the settings. Your Dropbox account is now reset according to your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.